Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of bank app updates? Are you actually using all the smart money features your bank is rolling out? Well, Monzo has just dropped a fresh batch of new tools and improvements that could seriously level up how you manage your money. I'm talking about things that go beyond just a slick new color scheme. These are genuine utility upgrades. Let's dive into the latest you need to know about Monzo. First up, a major move for business owners and landlords, the new in-app tax filing tool. Monzo has partnered with Sage to build a seamless way for Monzo business customers to file tax returns directly to HMRC. This is huge. With making tax digital becoming mandatory, Monzo is cutting out the need for separate accounting software. If you're a sole trader or landlord, this integration means you can track spending, allocate to your tax pot, and submit your returns all from the same app. This promises to be a massive time saver as the new quarterly filing rules come into effect. If you have a Monzo business account, you'll want to jump on the wait list for this. Next, something for everyone, an update to how you get paid. Monzo already lets you get your salary a day early, but they've been pushing improvements to the salary sorter feature. It's now smarter at recognizing and suggesting where your money should go the moment it lands. Think better automation to split your pay instantly into your bills pot, your savings pot, and your spending balance. It's all about making sure your money is where it needs to be before you even think about it. For those of you on a paid plan, Plus, Extra, or Max, you'll have noticed a new feature called Bills Back. This is an exciting one. Monzo is now offering a form of cashback on certain bills paid from your bills pot. This is a clever incentive to get your finances fully automated, rewarding you just for having your direct debits and standing orders organized. Keep an eye on the specific terms for your plan, but getting a little back on essential outgoings is always a win. Finally, we're seeing continued evolution of the Trends tab. This is Monzo's powerful budgeting and analytics section. The new updates are focused on greater customization and clarity. You now have more control over creating custom spending categories, meaning your budget can truly reflect your life, not just Monzo's defaults. Plus, they've improved the running balance graph, making it easier to see your actual safe to spend money after factoring in scheduled bills. It's all aimed at giving you a clearer, less stressful view of your monthly finances. Monzo is clearly focused on turning the app into a true financial operating system, from your daily coffee to your yearly tax return. These updates show they're not just resting on their laurels, but actively competing to be the ultimate home for your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.